Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Beginner's Guide to Autodesk AutoCAD. In this session, we will see how we can draw layouts. There are two workspaces in AutoCAD, the model space and the paper space. In the model space, you can create 2D drawings and 3D models. You can even plot drawings from the model space. However, it is difficult to plot drawings at a scale or if a drawing consists of multiple views arranged at different scales. For this purpose, we use layouts or paper space. In layouts or paper space, you can work on notes and annotations and perform the plotting or publishing operations. In layouts, you can arrange a single view or multiple drawings at specific scales. They are mainly rectangular in shape, but you can also create circular or polygon viewports. So let's open a file which shows some conduits installation on the roadside. Now we have this drawing. You can access this drawing along with the lecture. Here you can see there is layout 1 and layout 2. Let's see this layout 1 first. Let's delete the standard viewport which was there by default. In output, we can simply click here and open this manager. In page setup, let's choose a specific set of drawing. Let's say we want it in A4 size. In printer, let's choose DWG to PDF and we can plot it with AutoCAD.cdb format. Then we can change portrait or landscape and so on. You can see them by yourself as well. Next, let us create a new rectangular shape like this. Now you can see the model is now here in that specified rectangular viewport. Now in the second layout, we have deleted the standard viewport. Again, we will open the page setup manager. We will modify it and this time we will plot it again to PDF. But we will change the paper size. Let's say we will find the A1 this one. Let's choose the same format here and press OK and close. Now in layout, we can either go for the standard rectangular shape or we can do some variety. First, we will take the rectangular shape. Here we have got our model fit into the rectangular shape. In the Home tab, let's create a new circle. Now, you can see it is just a circle, but if we go to Layout and under Rectangular there is an Object option and we click this circle, now you can see it is converted into a viewport. If we click on Paper, we can zoom in, pan and scale as per our requirement. For instance, we want to show this specific detail here in this circle. Now we can lock it so that the scale does not change and we only deal with the model, not the paper. Let's return to the model and you can see the bold line of circle is now disappeared. Let's take another rectangular shape. It is our new viewport. In layout, we will click on object and this rectangle is converted into the viewport. For instance, we want this information to be displayed here. We simply lock it and return to model. Now we have created a new layout. It is an A1 size and it has different perspectives of the same model. One is the complete view in the top rectangular shape. Next, we have some information in the round circular shape, and then another area which is rectangular in shape showed a different format or a different perspective of the same model. It was not possible if we could have done it in the model space. In layout, we can do it, we can plot it, and we can publish it. So this was all about the layouts. See you in next session. Till then, take care.